You're good, man.
It's a lot of work.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of work you can't see because of the port.
Yeah. Wow, nice. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. This is unique. A box with subs on the sides also, okay. Okay.
And, with just the 3 subs.
Okay.
And just a few days ago, I was like, I need another sub. They were unloading. It was too much power for them. They're too broken in.
Yeah.
It's a Teramps 5K.
Okay.
Spark 5.
Yep. Nice. So, name and what's all in here real quick, man.
My name's Eric Goodman, Team Fracture, out of Slidell, Louisiana.
Okay.
It's an 04 Ram. It's 320 Autotech alternator.
Okay.
2-aught welding wire. That is a 90 amp hour bank of Lishan LTO. Teramp Smart 5 on 4 Savard High Q 12s.
Okay.
Ported box I built myself.
So you had 3 and then you added a 4th?
Yes, I had 3 and then I just added the 4th.
Did it gain at all SPL wise with that 4th?
I haven't metered it yet since
Okay.
I added the 4th.
Have you? Can you tell Autumn?
If it's louder, it could be louder, but what I do know is it sounds so much better.
Okay.
They can take punishment louder.
Yeah. All right.
My keys are in your purse. My keys are in your purse.
We'll go check under the hood real quick, and then I'll be right back in 20 seconds. What's your port tuned to right here?
It's a 30. I peak at about 32.
Okay. I like that you got an outside port, so it didn't take up the cubic space inside.
Right, it had to be that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
There's lights in there.
Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. You actually painted in the box. Wow. That's a lot of work. You're good, man.
It's a lot of work.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of work you can't see because of the port.
Yeah. Wow, nice.
It's a Nightmare Before Christmas theme. And,
Okay.
The port's called Sally.
Sally, all right.
You can bend that mirror out after you shut the door.
Okay. There you go. A little bit of bag
Yeah, that's about all I can do is float a bag.
That's all good, man.
And my hair moves a little.
Sweet. But it does a 50 dB plus, it looks like. You got a sticker on it.
153.
Oh, 53, all right.
Well, that was before I
Before you added the 4 sub, yeah.
It was a 53.25.
Okay. All right, yeah, I'd love to hear this. Nice.
Some last minute bits and ties. It's just some audio legions that I got last minute because my other one's blue. And it's a JP234. It's a 2000 watt around about.
Okay.
4-channel.
Yep.
And American based 6.5s with a spare over there because I blew one.
Okay.
And Savard tweets in the back portion.
All right. Awesome. All right. Demo time.
Custom based number. So.
Is it louder with the back windows open or closed? You know?
I just forgot to put them up.
It's all good. I didn't know if it was louder open or closed. Sweet.
When I meter with that back door. I would meter with the meter in this kick because I go baseboards usually, not use that.
Okay.
So those 2 doors open with the windows up.
Yep.
This door closed, window up, and that door closed, window up, and that's how I did that.
Oh, okay. There you
So
go.
both
53.
those doors open
Yep.
all the way.
All right.
The internal cubes after displacements is about 6.5, 6.4.
Okay. So that's how you made it work, having the subs inverted and that port out like that.
Yeah.
The box looks small, but it actually is pretty good. You did a good job. I like it, man.
Inside there's a window brace.
Okay.
Keeps it braced in too. Nice.
That is basically it's very small, but everything else is single layer.
Awesome.
So the only thing the baffle is triple layered.
Okay.
There's a 1 layer inset between the walls, and then 2 layers on top of that. And so everything else is single layer, and then it's just braced.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.